Victoria Marche S. Melantad from BSN 3D, and today I'm going to perform oxygen administration return demonstration. So first, assess patient's respiratory rate and level of consciousness. Oxygen depletion would decrease respiratory rate, mental status, and elevates PACU2. Patient is alert and abnormal ang RR. Determine the current arterial blood gases if available. Post no smoking signs on patient's door or in view in patients or visitors. Oxygen supports combustion. There is always danger of fire when oxygen is used. Show the nasal cannula to the patient and explain the procedure. An explanation relieves apprehension and promotes cooperation. Sir, good afternoon. Ako din mong nurse for today. And then karon sir, kay maghatag day ko sa imuha og oxygen para dili na ka maglisod og ginhawa, sir. Mao ni siya ang isulod sa imong ilong. Okay lang ba, sir? Okay, thank you po. Make sure that the humidifier is filled with the appropriate mark. If the humidifier is not sufficiently full, less moisture will be delivered. Check the oxygen tank by turning on the regulator gauge and determine the amount of oxygen on it. Attach the connecting tube from the cannula to the humidifier outlet. Oxygen pours through water in humidifier to prevent dehydration of the mucous membrane. And then here siya i-on para i-operate ang oxygen. So expected na nag-on na po siya. Next, set the flow rate at the prescribed liters per minute. Fill to determine if the oxygen is flow through the tip of the cannula. Approximately oxygen concentration delivered by nasal cannula are 1 liter equals 24%, 2 liters equals 28%, 3 liters equals 32%, and 5 liters equals 40%. So since naon naman ang oxygen, i-fill na nako siya here. And then naglabas na ang oxygen. Ready na siya ikuan sa patient. Place the tip of the cannula on the patient's nose. Fasten tubing around client's head or behind each ear. Position the cannula so that the tip do not extend more 2.5 cm or 1 inch into the ears. Sir, kanang ibutang na nako ning cannula, sir. Igtaod na po, sir, ha? Igtaod na ko hindi. Ilangan. Adjust flow at the prescribed rate. Encourage client to breathe through his nose with his mouth closed. Keeping mouth closed provides optimum delivery of oxygen to the lungs. Sir, kanang ginhawa sir sa ilong. I-close lang imong mouth. Sundi ko, sir. Tanawa ko. Sige. Okay, sir. Thank you. So, na-adjust na siya diri ang rate sa oxygen ni patient. And then the last one, determine the patient when oxygen is used. Flow rate in excess 41 per minute may lead to air swallowing and can cause irritation of nasal and pharyngeal mucosa. So sir, kumusta imuhang ginhawa sir nga naka-oxygen ka sir? Nakaginhawa na ba ka og tarong? Ginhawa. So si patient kay nakaginhawa na siya og tarong nis. And then the last one, record the flow rate use and the response of the patient. And that's all. Thank you.